he would behave himself. He was the spiritual leader. He ruled the hearts of the people. And may I tell you how he ruled the hearts? Just one. When he would perform his ablution, when he would wash his face, people would run, men and women, to fetch the water before it dropped on the earth. They were mad in love for him. He could enjoy any amount of worship or respect from the people. He had a very gracious personality, a very beautiful and very magnificent personality. And when people would come before him, sometimes they would start trembling. The magnetism of his personality would overawe them. And he would stand up and greet them, "My dear brothers," he would say smilingly, "I am the son of Amina and Abdullah. I am a human being. I am your brother. Would you kindly take your seat?" That was his humanity. That was the principle that he inculcated in the hearts of his followers, that human dignity is inviolable. And I may give you one instance from his life. Again, from that you will understand what was the message that he gave and how he put it into real practical norms, into real practical forms. When he was about to leave this earthly scene, he was sick. The sickness prior to his demise. So he assembled all the people of Medina, the capital of the state. All the people of Medina were invited that today Prophet Muhammad ﷺ wants to have a talk with all the people. So they came. Then this great man, in spite of his sickness, he stood up with his staff in his hands, and he said, "Dear Muslims," there was only Muslim population there and no other. "Dear Muslims, I know you love me. I know that you have got to honor me very highly as God has commanded. But I am shortly going to leave this earthly scene. I wish to find out from every one of you, if I ever did any wrong to anyone, I am here to be there for that wrong to be avenged on me." Remember, he was speaking to his followers. I have not read about any leader, I have not known any leader in the entire history of mankind who could behave like this. Of course, that was his greatness, but at the same time it was his regard for the principle of human dignity. As he spoke, a gentleman arose and he said, "Yes, O Prophet, O our leader, you once touched me with a stick, and I wish to avenge that. This greatest of all leaders in human history bowed his head. He said, "Here is Here is the stick. He said, but not in this manner. He said, how? He said, you have taught the law of equity. Although you have taught the law of forgiveness, but you have also taught the law of equity. When your stick touched my body, my upper part of the body was naked and it touched my naked part of the body. So would you please take off your shirt? There was terrible agitation among all who were there as to how this man can behave like this. And some of the Muslims stood up in rage. The Prophet ﷺ said, are you going to be so unjust after I have departed from the world? What right have you to be enraged at this man? Sit down all. And this man advanced. The Prophet ﷺ lifted his shirt from behind as he had said that it had touched his back. This man advanced with that cane which the Prophet ﷺ had given him. And it appeared as if the sky would fall and the earth would be rent asunder for what this man apparently wanted to do. He advanced and he kissed the back of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, his right shoulder, and he said, I wanted it only for this. Because you had not actually hit me. Then he gave the story. He said that on the occasion of a battle, when you as the commander-in-chief had the commander-in-chief's small staff in your hand, and you were straightening the rows of soldiers, not hitting anyone, as we also do nowadays in the army and in the police and so on the battlefield, your staff touched my body. It was not that you hit me or anything of that sort. This is the practice of human dignity.